Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I've got a very interesting facial treatment for you. This is a rejuvenating facial treatment, so without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got here my aloe vera leaf. This is so juicy. I just cut it off my aloe vera plant. It's been washed very well, and I made sure I got rid of that yellowish substance which can give you allergic reactions. So I'll cut it open, and with the help of a spoon I'll just get out the gel. I'll use the spoon to mash it a little bit to get rid of the lumps. So now it's ready to be used. Now you need to start from a very clean face. I'll get my exfoliating soap and cleanse my face with it. So now my face is very clean. Now I'll come in with my aloe vera gel. I'll make sure I cover every part of my face. You can put it on your whole body. This can be a little bit messy, but hey, it will give you good results, so it's worth the mess. Now, talking about hydration, aloe vera gel is one of the best substances you can use on your skin to improve the hydration. It naturally boosts the production of collagen, which makes your skin more elastic. It helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. If you've got hyperpigmentation, sunburn, acne scars, acne, this will really help improve it. This is very good with those of you with very dull complexion. This will give you a natural glow after one use. It will just make your skin baby soft. So after applying it on my face, I will get my facial mask. I got this from Amazon, you can check it out. I'll just put it on to help, trap in the moisture. This will help give you the maximum benefit. So I'll leave this on my face for about 20 to 30 minutes or till, it kind of dries a little bit. So it's been after about 30 minutes and I'll just strip it off. Now I'll wash my face with some lukewarm water. You don't need soap. And guys, the freshness is real. You can feel the softness of your skin. I do this once a week to wake up my skin. If you want maximum results, you can do this 2 or 3 times in a week. So that is it, guys. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.